How to resolve a rejected return in H&R Block. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you resolve a rejected return in H&R Block. So if your tax return has been rejected in H&R Block for the tax year 2024, you will need to resolve the issue before your return can be successfully filed. Here's a general guide on how to resolve a rejected return. When your return is rejected, H&R Block will provide you with a rejection notice detailing the reasons for the rejection. Carefully review this notice to understand why your return was rejected. Next, based on the reasons provided in the rejection notice, identify and correct any errors in your tax return. Common reasons for rejection include incorrect personal information, mismatched social security numbers, and errors in income or deduction amounts. Then, make corrections in H&R Block. Log into your H&R Block account and make the necessary corrections to your tax return. H&R Block software should guide you through the process of correcting errors and updating your return. Once you have corrected the errors, refile your tax return through H&R Block. Follow the instructions provided by the software to resubmit your return. After refiling your return, monitor the status of your return to ensure that it's accepted by IRS. H&R Block should provide a way for you to check the status of your return within their platform. In some cases, your return may be rejected multiple times if there are multiple errors or issues to address. If your return is rejected again, review the rejection notice and repeat the process of correcting errors and refiling until your return is accepted. If you are unable to resolve the issues of your own, or if you have any questions about the rejection notice, don't hesitate to seek assistance from the H&R Block's customer support. They can provide guidance and assistance in resolving the rejection and successfully filing your return. By following these simple steps and addressing the reasons for your rejection, you can resolve rejected return in H&R Block for the tax year 2024 and ensure that your return is successfully filed with IRS. This was all about resolving a rejected return in H&R Block. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.